Hi, my name is Jane Harrig. I work with maintenance and repairs here at Evans Delivery Corporate Office. We are here to help you better manage repair costs associated with chassis and containers. In this video, we are going to look at driver responsibilities, casing receipts, weekly spreadsheets, and our Tire Liability Program. Let's take a look. As a carrier, it is important the driver completes a pre-trip inspection prior to outgating. If you are not satisfied with equipment, do not take it out. Make sure any and all damage is noted on your interchange. Remember, if it isn't noted on your outgate, you will be responsible if they note it on your ingate. If you can't note damage at time of outgate, always take a picture of something you are unsure of to protect yourself as proof upon ingate. Drivers need to know what is and isn't their responsibility. Know the difference between a peeled cap and a run flat. If we have a peeled cap and continue to run on it, it becomes a run flat or run to destruction, which will not be billable back to the equipment provider. Weekly spreadsheets. We will send you a spreadsheet every week, normally on a Monday. This will show you what you have open as far as M&Rs and toll violations. We ask that you respond within 5 days and let us know how to handle. Some providers only give us 7 days to dispute. Let's take a look at the Tire Liability Program. Evans offers the Tire Liability Program to our drivers. This is a great way for your drivers to save money. It is a great incentive when hiring new drivers, offered during your recruitment process. Currently, the weekly fee is $27.50. There is also a $50 deductible on each tire invoice. This is not per tire, it is per invoice. So, if a driver has 2 slid flat tires on one invoice, the deductible would be $50. These fees can be split between the agent and the driver, or paid solely by the driver or agent. This program is for chassis tires only. Our tire program is a good faith program, so drivers will be expected to turn peeled caps into roadability for a casing receipt so we can bill back the provider. This in turn allows us to keep our costs to the drivers down. If you have any questions about Evans Tire Program, please email us at tireprogram@evansdelivery.com. If you have any questions related to M&Rs, please email perdiem@evansdelivery.com.